Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating a new scene and immediately saving a versioned file so you can revert if needed. Load your base figures and any essential props. Import your HDRI or background to set lighting context. Next, configure units, camera aspect ratio, and select Array or 3 Delight as the render engine so materials and lights behave predictably. Once done, position the camera roughly and lock scene autosave settings. These first actions prevent workflow interruptions later. Now you shape the scene. Apply poses to figures and refine with translation/rotation controls and smoothing for natural joints. Simultaneously edit surfaces. Set diffuse, metallic, roughness, and normal maps so materials react correctly under your chosen engine. Then build lighting. Position a key light, add fill and rim lights, and use light linking to isolate illumination. Make iterative test renders at low quality to check interaction between pose, materials, and lighting. This saves time before final renders. To finish, set output resolution and quality, enable denoiser if available, and use render region for test passes to conserve time. Start a full render when satisfied, then export to your desired format or sequence and save the scene along with used textures and export presets for reproducibility. If the render stalls or materials look wrong, reset array shaders, clear the shader or DLL cache, and restart Daz Studio. That single step often resolves corrupted shader compilations and missing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.